What if the secret to crystal clear vision wasn't a stronger pair of prescription glasses, but what is sitting on your dinner plate right now? Every day, millions of people accept foggy, blurry eyesight as just an inevitable part of getting older. But what if your eyes are not actually failing you? What if they are just starving? Blurry vision is often a desperate distress signal from your optic nerves, begging for specific, high-quality nutrients to repair themselves. Welcome to Wellness Wealth, where we investigate the hidden truths behind aging gracefully and uncover the secrets to lasting vitality. Today, we are revealing 8 powerful foods that can sharpen your sight from the inside out. Stick around until the end, because the 8th food on this list is a completely unexpected kitchen staple that most people ignore.
Think of your eyes like a high-end digital camera capturing every precious moment of your life. If the lens is smudged and the internal battery is dying, your picture will always be out of focus. To fix this, you have to nourish the hardware. Our first 2 foods, salmon and sardines, act like premium oil for a rusty, overworked machine. They're packed with rich omega-3 fatty acids that fight the inflammation causing dry, blurry eyes. Eating them ensures the surface of your eye remains perfectly lubricated and clear. Next, we have spinach and kale. These dark leafy greens are loaded with 2 critical antioxidants called lutein and zeaxanthin. Imagine these nutrients as tiny internal sunglasses built directly into your retinas. They filter out harmful blue light and protect your macula, the specific part of your eye responsible for your sharpest central vision. Our 5th food is the humble egg. The yolk is an incredible eye repair package containing highly absorbable zinc. Think of zinc as a specialized transport vehicle, safely carrying vitamin A from your liver straight to your retina to repair damaged cells overnight. Number 6 is the classic carrot. Carrots provide beta-carotene, which helps your eyes convert light into the precise electrical signals your brain needs to interpret a clear image. 7th on our list are almonds. Rich in vitamin E, these nuts act like a biological shield, protecting your delicate eye tissues from the internal rust caused by aging and oxidative stress. Finally, our mysterious 8th food, raw red bell peppers. Gram for gram, they pack significantly more eye-saving vitamin C than oranges. This crucial vitamin reinforces the tiny, fragile blood vessels in your eyes, preventing the microscopic fluid leaks that can cloud your vision.
The Wellness Wealth Prescription. To clear away the fog, you do not need a massive lifestyle overhaul. You just need the right fuel. Tonight, try having a serving of baked salmon paired with a fresh spinach and red bell pepper salad. Top it with a handful of crushed almonds and a sliced hard-boiled egg. Aim to eat these vision-boosting foods 3 to 4 times a week to keep your internal lenses crystal clear. Invest in your greatest asset, your health. Click the subscribe button to join Wellness Wealth, and let's continue uncovering the scientific secrets to a vibrant, independent life.